Ever wondered what it's like to explore the world's hidden gems? Imagine standing amidst the towering structures of ancient civilizations, feeling the cool breeze kiss your cheeks as you gaze upon the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps, or walking through the bustling streets of vibrant cities, each one teeming with a unique blend of culture and history. Picture yourself nestled in the heart of breathtaking landscapes, where every glance offers a feast for the senses. Envision embarking on an adventure that takes you from the azure waters of the Caribbean, through the lush greenery of the Amazon, and onto the arid beauty of the Sahara. Feel the thrill of discovering the intricate tapestry that forms our world, each thread representing a different culture, a different story, a different adventure. From the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps to the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, Wanderlust Adventures takes you on a journey to explore the world's hidden gems. Dive into the heart and soul of each destination with us. Travel, as we believe, is more than just ticking off landmarks on a checklist. It's about immersing oneself in the local culture, tasting the traditional cuisines, and dancing to the rhythm of the local beats. Imagine yourself walking through bustling markets, the air filled with the tantalizing aroma of spices, the vibrant colors of fresh produce catching your eye, and the harmonious cacophony of 1,000 different conversations taking place around you. There's nothing like a local market to truly capture the essence of a place. But why stop at just exploring? Let's take it a step further. Picture yourself in a rustic kitchen, learning to cook an authentic local dish under the guidance of a friendly local. The laughter, the aroma of the dish slowly taking form, the sense of accomplishment when you finally taste your creation. These moments are what make a journey unforgettable. Then there are the traditional dances, a beautiful expression of a community's history and culture. Whether it's the passionate flamenco in Spain, the graceful hula in Hawaii, or the energetic samba in Brazil, joining in on these dances is a celebration of life itself. Savor the flavors, embrace the traditions, and immerse yourself in the vibrant cultures that make each place truly unique. Come, let's explore the world together, one local experience at a time. Ready for a thrill of a lifetime? Buckle up because you're in for a wild ride. Wanderlust Adventures isn't just about serene landscapes and cultural immersion, it's about pushing your limits, stepping out of your comfort zone, and finding that exhilarating rush of adrenaline. Imagine soaring through the sky, zip-lining across lush tropical rainforests, where the wind whistles in your ears and the world rushes by in a blur of vibrant green. Next, picture yourself standing on the edge of a towering bridge, heart pounding as you prepare to plunge into the abyss, bungee cord strapped to your ankles. The world stands still for a moment, then you're falling, hurtling towards the earth, the adrenaline surge pure and potent. But the adventure doesn't stop there. We'll also take you beneath the waves, scuba diving in the crystal-clear waters of hidden azure lagoons. Feel the weightlessness of the underwater world as you swim alongside a dazzling array of marine life, exploring coral reefs bursting with color and teeming with biodiversity. And as the sun sets, you'll sit around a campfire, stars twinkling overhead, recounting the day's adventures, the thrill still lingering, a smile etched onto your face. Because that's what Wanderlust Adventures is all about, experiences that challenge you, thrill you, and leave you craving for more. Get your adrenaline pumping as we embark on daring adventures, conquering soaring heights, diving into the depths, and seeking thrilling experiences that will leave you breathless. Ever wondered how to travel hassle-free? Well, with a few insider tips, you can transform your travel experience from stressful to seamless. Let's start with packing. Keep it light and versatile. Opt for clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Don't forget to roll your clothes to save space and avoid wrinkles. Next, always have a digital and physical copy of your important documents. You never know when they might come in handy. And remember, the early bird catches the worm, or in this case, the best flight deals and accommodation options. So, plan and book in advance. Lastly, don't just stick to the usual tourist trails. Discover the hidden gems of your destination by interacting with locals. They can guide you to unique spots and experiences often missed by tourists. Unravel the secrets of hassle-free travel, learn some nifty packing tricks, and discover the hidden hotspots that only the locals know. Ever yearned for a journey of self-growth? As we traverse the globe with Wanderlust Adventures, we don't just discover new places, we discover new aspects of ourselves. Each journey we take is a transformative experience, a chance to engage with our inner selves in ways we never thought possible. Imagine finding solace amidst the tranquil beauty of an untouched forest, where the only sound is the rustling of leaves and the chirping of distant birds. Picture yourself practicing yoga on a serene beach as the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple. These moments of solitude and introspection allow us to connect with our inner selves, to reflect on our lives, to find peace and tranquility. But it's not just about solitude, it's about learning and growing through cultural exchange. Imagine sitting with the elders of a remote tribe, absorbing their wisdom and stories, gaining insights into a way of life vastly different from your own. Imagine sharing a meal with locals, laughing and learning together, discovering that despite our differences, we are all connected. Meditation, too, plays a significant role in our transformative journeys. Whether it's in the quiet corner of a bustling city or atop a silent mountain, meditation allows us to quiet our minds, to observe our thoughts without judgment, to find clarity amidst chaos. And then there are the unforgettable moments of awe and wonder that nature offers us. Standing at the edge of a cliff, looking out at an endless ocean, or gazing up at a star-studded sky, we realize how small we are in this vast universe. These moments of profound awe inspire us, humble us, and instill in us a deep appreciation for the beauty of our world. Experience the transformative power of travel as we connect with our inner self, finding inspiration in breathtaking landscapes, seeking knowledge from wise elders, and discovering the beauty of human connection across the globe.